In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header of your website using Hostinger's intuitive website builder. Whether you're updating your logo, refining your navigation menu, or adjusting the overall appearance, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your website looks precisely how you want it to. First, let's begin by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your website by opening it in the website builder. This tool is designed to be user-friendly, providing you with the flexibility to make changes effortlessly. With your site open, let's focus on the topmost section. This is known as the header. As you move your cursor over this area, you'll notice it highlights as Header. This visual cue indicates that you're about to make changes to an element that appears across all pages of your site, because headers are global elements. Now, let's delve into customizing various parts of the header. Start with the logo, an essential component that marks your brand's identity. When you click on it, you'll have the option to upload your own logo file or type in your brand's name as a text logo. Both options give your site a personalized touch, so choose the style that best aligns with your brand image. Next, we'll look at the navigation menu, which acts as the roadmap for your visitors. Click on the menu area to edit existing links or add new pages. Clear and descriptive navigation not only helps your visitors find what they need, but also enhances their overall experience. Consider what pages are most important for your audience and ensure these are included in your menu. Moving on to the header's background, a crucial area for setting the tone of your site. When you click here, you're able to change the background color, replace it with an image, or adjust its transparency. Each option provides a unique aesthetic, influencing the look and feel of your website. Choose a style that complements your brand's color scheme and overall design philosophy. As we make these changes, you'll find a toolbar handy for further adjustments. It allows you to tweak padding and spacing, ensuring your header elements are displayed correctly and comfortably. You can also modify alignment, helping everything line up neatly according to your design preference. And if you're looking to add new elements like buttons or social media icons, this is where you'll want to do it. These small yet powerful additions can drive engagement and improve functionality. Remember, because the header is a global element, any changes you make here will apply site-wide. This consistency is key in maintaining a cohesive look as visitors navigate through different pages on your website. With these steps, you're well on your way to a customized, professional-looking website header that accurately represents your brand and delights your site visitors. Happy building!